Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Let's start chapter number 7 from the book 1 for grade 1. This chapter is about the angels. The angels. Al-Malaika. Al-Malaika. The Arabic word for angel is Malik or Malakun. Al-Malaika is its plural. Al-Malaika is its plural. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala created the angels. He created them just as He created man and everything else. They are made of light. The angels are made of light. The angels are made of light. We cannot see them, but we know that they are there. This is because Allah's messengers told us so. This is because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's messenger told us so. The angels are Allah's servants. They obey Him all the time. They carry out His commands. They have no power to disobey Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala wanted man to obey Him. So He sent angel Jibreel alayhi salam to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam. Angel Jibreel alayhi salam told the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala wanted man to do. Jibreel alayhi salam brought the Quran to the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam at the command of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. This was Jibreel's duty. This was angel Jibreel's duty. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sent angel Jibreel alayhi salam to many prophets before Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam. There are many angels. Different angels do different duties. So there are many angels. Different angels do different duties. Angel Jibreel alayhi salam is one of them. Every one of us has two angels who remain with him all the time. They never leave him, and they write down everything he does or says. They write down his good actions and bad actions. Mikael, Israfil, Ridwan, and Jibreel alayhi salam are also some of the angels. A Muslim believes in all of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's angels. The angels remain with every person except of certain times. Like when a person is in the washroom, using the toilet, taking bath. At that time, angels does not remain with the person. Now let's start our exercise and few questions about the angels. What is the Arabic word for angels? What is the Arabic word for angels? Al-Malaika. Al-Malaika. Who created the angels? Who created the angels? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala created the angels. What are angels made of? Write down the answer of this question in the comments below. The question is, what are angels made of? Okay? Yes. A Muslim believes in the angels even if he cannot see them. Yes, a Muslim believes in the angels even if he cannot see them. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala keep all of us in the best state of Iman. See you all in the next video with the next chapter, inshallah. Till then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.